In this question, a sinusoidal voltage is applied to the circuit shown at a frequency of 1 kHz, and you've been asked to determine the inductive reactance. Our first step is to note the information given to us in the question. We are given a sinusoidal voltage frequency, f, of 1 kHz. The diagram shows the inductance L equal to 5 millihenries. We're asked to calculate the inductive reactance XL. We know from the formula for inductive reactance, XL is equal to twice pi times the frequency times the inductance. So that's 2 pi FL. Entering the values given in the question, we have 2 pi times the frequency, which is 1 kHz, times the inductance, which is 5 millihenries. These values calculated out give you an inductive reactance of 31.4 ohms. Don't forget the unit ohms.